Hey, it's Sean with Paul Martin and Sons. Out here today with John Wilson, JCW Farms. We are riding Case IH quad track, 550 horsepower, pulling a RT32 foot joker with a Underfirth 1645D. Pulling at 11 to 11.1 mile per hour and covering about 31.7 acres an hour. John, what do you like about your joker?
The joker's a finished tool. Really leaves a really nice seat bed. High speed, we get a lot done. We will just go in the spring and just plant right into this soil.
So you're saying you're only working it once in the fall and no times in the spring, and it's ready to get planted on?
Yeah, this particular field we're actually working it twice. We shelled this early, a lot of green fodder, so we're hitting it twice. It'll be ready for spring. But the joker's a very well constructed tool, very low maintenance.
And there you have it.